Welcome to New York Blower's Newcastle facility. This facility has been in operation since 2008, and in 2018 we added a second plant to specifically address the heavy industrial custom fan market. Plant 1 and Plant 2 are crucial for New York Blower's business strategy for the future. Not only do we have two facilities running, Plant 1 and Plant 2, we have room to add another plant or another two plants. So there's plenty of room here to grow as New York Blower grows. And when we designed and built Plant 2, we put that plant up with the vision to grow. And to grow in custom fans, to grow in the heavy industrial market, to grow in both axial and centrifugal fans, along with mixed flow fans, and to grow in the installation, maintenance, and service end of the market.
The money that this company has invested to make heavy industrial a success is just mind-boggling to me. I never knew there was a company that would actually invest this much into making a future for all of us. We have a multitude of 20-ton cranes. We have MIG welders, TIG welders, you name it, go down the list of all the different welding capabilities we have. Our balance machines that are capable of handling up to 90 to 100-inch diameter rotor without any issues. And we've pulled knowledge and experience from Litchfield, Effingham, Willowbrook, LaPorte, which really has made Newcastle the success that it is today. The future of New York Blower Heavy Industrial in Newcastle is boundless, is really unlimited potential. We have the facility that we have future plans for on growth. We have room to grow. We have a customer base that is constantly growing.
The most exciting thing about this facility is the experienced people. They come to work every day energized and willing to tackle the problems that our customers have and selecting the proper fans needed to make their processes most efficient and most cost effective. And it is very exciting for me to come here and watch the pieces of the puzzles come together with the people to make it work.